Hey there, welcome to our video on how to add certificates and licenses to your LinkedIn profile using the mobile app on your Android device. Showcasing your professional credentials is a great way to stand out to potential employers and connections. So let's dive right in. First, open up the LinkedIn app on your Android smartphone. If you don't have the app installed on your phone, you can simply download it from the Play Store. Now log into your LinkedIn account. Since my login was saved by LinkedIn, I only have to click on my account name to sign in. But if you are new, you might have to enter your email address and password, and then you can sign into your LinkedIn account. And also, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you can watch our previous video on how to create a LinkedIn account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture and click on View Profile option to go to your profile page. On your profile, look for the Add Section button, usually located at the bottom of your introduction section, and tap on that to open up menu of options. Now, from the menu that appears, scroll down and select the recommended option. From here, you should see the Licenses and Certifications section. Tap on that to start adding your certificates. Now, enter all the details about your certificates. Start by filling out the name of the certificate, the issuing organization, the issue date, and the expiration date. If you have multiple certificates to add, you can repeat this process for each one. Just make sure to fill out the details accurately for each credential. Now, once you've entered all the necessary information, tap the Save button. Your certification will now be added to Licenses and Certifications section of your LinkedIn profile. And now click on Next. You can also choose to post. You can also skip it. And that's it. You have successfully added your certificates to your LinkedIn profile using the mobile app on your Android device. This will help showcase your achievements and qualifications to professional network. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date with your latest certifications and licenses is a great way to stand out and attract potential employers or business opportunities. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your career.